Okay, what are we doing? Sorry, we had a temporary, momentary issue with the
things and the stuff.
With the bits. Ooh, and that was the timer from before. But we're just gonna plug on.
Wing it!
Okay, so I have some neon yellow.
Ooh. I feel like that's gonna be pretty.
I have some dark, I have some light green.
So right now what we've got in here is the blue for the cross stuff, and I feel like I need some blue right there.
Yes, and then these things right here, there are knee pads, that's cross stuff too. And then if we want to try to work something in for the headband, I'd say orange.
Okay.
I'll try to get down far.
So here and here.
Mamma dee da 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 da. No? Okay. It looks like a carrot. One of the fancy ones from the fancy restaurants.
Smush.
Smush. I'm gonna try to work that into the mold.
Okay, you're being way too fancy right now.
Am I being fancy pants?
Stop touching it! Don't. Just let it go. You keep screwing it up.
Let it go. Let it go.
It's ready!
Nope, we have one more little orange headband to do.
I know, but I'm saying that mold is ready. I just smushed the green.
I think you actually have to push it into the mold.
No.
No?
You don't.
Okay. Can you do it, please? Can you do it? It's not working for me. Oh, you didn't do, we have to do arm pads. Here's some brown.
You just told me knee pads.
Well, yeah, but these little, they have on. You know, with this thing over here that protects the thing from the thing. You know what I'm saying?
Don't nobody know what you're saying.
Don't nobody know what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying.
Nope. Well, at least I put the right sides together instead of the feet, the feet together.
Here, let's, Oh.
This is why you don't get to do craft projects, kids.
Ha!
Sure.
Ha! Is that racist?
I don't know.
If we offended anyone from the Kung Fu Nation,
Sorry.
please leave a comment below, and remember, share this video and have all your friends subscribe.
Yay!
Okay, let's see what we did. Go ahead. I don't think that really came out the way we wanted it to.
Well, let's just go ahead and cut them out.
Okay, cut faster.
I'm not a surgeon.
Do you want my help? I gotta do the sword here.
Oops, I dropped some on the floor. You might want to get it before a dog eats it.
It was on your lap.
Oh, okay.
'Twas on your lap, lady.
I don't understand. We use two backs because there's no eyeballs.
That's probably why they weren't going together. Because there was no pokey. Play-Doh fail.
Snap.
We really made a genetically mutant.
The best part is
the turtle with
part
two
of the
backs.
head is up here. The other side, the head is over here. Winning.
We made the turtle with two backs. Phrasing.
YouTube fail.
Well, guys, if you liked that video, because we sure had a lot of fun making it, Please give us a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, subscribe below. Share the video out to the world. And come back next Sunday for another...
Awkward?
We still
Crazy?
don't know what to call it. It's a thing. We're doing a thing. It's a thing. We're doing a web thing.
Come back and see our things. Crazy.